Hello guys, and welcome to another Hackerrank video. Today we're going to be solving Huddle race. It states that Dan is playing a video game in which his character competes in a Huddle race. Huddles are of varying height, and Dan has a maximum height he can jump. There is a magic potion he can take that will increase his maximum height by 1 unit for each dose. How many doses of this potion must he take to be able to jump all of the huddles? So here we know that we're given the huddle height, and then we're given K, which is the natural number that Dan can actually jump initially, right? So as you can see, that it says K here is the integer denoting the height Dan can naturally jump, and then the heights are an interarray of heights denoting each huddle. So for example, let's say that Dan can only jump, naturally K equals 4. So we know that here the maximum huddle that he can actually needs to jump over is going to be 6, which is just the maximum number within the array. If he takes 2 more potions, he'll be able to jump over this one, and then he'll be able to jump over this. And since this is the highest and everything else is less than that, then Dan will be able to jump over each huddle. So we know that for this problem, all we need to do is find the maximum huddle within our array, or the maximum number within our huddle height, and then we subtract that from K. However, what happens if K, which is the natural jump that he can actually do, is higher than every single huddle? That means that Dan doesn't require any potions to actually jump over each huddle, right? So he requires 0 potions. So we actually need to take care of that. So let's go ahead and solve this problem. So what we need to do first is get our maximum huddle height within our heights array. And for that, what we're going to do is we can utilize you know what? Let's do streams for this, and yeah, that should be fine. Let's just shift that. So let's create a variable, and let's call this one max height, and it's going to equal to in stream and we're going to use the off method, and then we're going to go ahead and pass in the height, which is the array, and then what we need to do is get the max. Alright, so normally what this returns is an optional int, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to either return the max, or I'm going to throw another value in there. So I'm going to say or else I'm just going to go ahead and return 0. So normally you will return an option int, but I want to just return an int. So I'm going to either return the max, if it's a max. If it's not a max, I'm going to go ahead and return 0 here. Next, I want to do is to check to see if the max height is actually less than K. If it is, then we need to go ahead and return 0. Else, we return the max height minus K. So we're going to return max height is, so we check if the max height is less than K, and if that's true, then we return 0. Else, what we're going to do is get the max height minus K. So if he can jump higher than any heights available, that means that he requires 0 potions to actually go through each huddle. However, if the huddles are higher than the huddles are higher than his natural jump, then we need multiple potions to actually be able to overcome that huddle. Alright. So let's go ahead here and submit this problem. Alright. And it says that we cannot find in stream. So what we need to do here is we could just let me just copy this. And we're going to go ahead and duplicate it, and here we're going to add in stream and then dot here. Alright, now let's run this. let's run this. Alright guys, this will be it for this tutorial. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a good day. Bye bye.